Hello, this is just a short progress report or something. There's no project this week. I'm disappointed at the Ecomatic and these ones that we did last week. The mixing of the dry signal with the effect signal. I want that to be between nothing dry and everything wet, and these didn't do that. So I've been looking around on the internet for something to use for that, and I figured that this should be very similar to a pan pot, left right. And looking around, I did find one. I'll put the link to this in the description. It's from Analog, their website, and it's for one of their chips. I just used the TL074. So it's a simple trim pot that one is for panning. So I'll show two circuits, that one for panning, and then I replace some of the resistors that made it better for mixing, or for not mixing like dry wet signal, which is why I did this in this week 12. So basically, following the schematics on this paper, you will get perfect half of the voltage in the middle, and then you will get on the sides, you will get 1.5 times the input on the outputs. So this circuit does give a bit of a boost as well, but using the resistor values that I kind of figured out, I just sat down in Falstad.com and remade the circuit there, and just played around with the resistor values. So it's around 2/3 power in the middle, and then it's all wet, and all the other one almost 100% on each end, which is better for dry wet mixing. So I haven't made a circuit of this, but I'm thinking of making my own version of Ecomatic, or that kind of effect strip module with these alterations that hopefully will work better for me than the Ecomatic does. So I'll just show you quickly the Falstad and the PDF. So looking around on the internet for some mix slash panning circuits, I found this one on analog.com, ultra low distortion audio pan pot amplifier. So this is a very simple circuit using two op amps. They of course use a very nice one, the 808273 dual low distortion difference amplifier. I used a TL072, and for my purposes it works fine enough. So as I said, this signal, you get 1.5 times the input on the output on when you have it both on the most left and most right positions. When you have it in the middle, you will get exactly 0.5 of the input signal. So this is a very nice circuit if you want to use it for panning, although with a bit of amplification. Yeah, I don't know. So what I did, I went into falstad.com/circuit. There's the web address as well. And I just played around with the values here and took values that I have. So here you see when we have the potentiometer in the middle position, we have 3.3 volts from our 5 volts in the middle, and on the sides we have 4.987, so almost 100%, and the same at the other Oops. That's the same as at the other end, 49, and 49.75 millivolts. So that's really nothing. So this is the circuit I'm going to implement if I make my own effect strip. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next week. Take care. Bye.